Hi guys, welcome to my channel Amma, Nanna, Riyansh. Today we're gonna learn about ABCD phonic sound, guys. Every letter has name and sound. What is this, guys? What is this letter? A. A phonic sound is ya. Ya for apple. Guys, what is this? B. B phonic sound is ba. Ba in ball. Guys, what is this? C. C phonic sound is ka. Ka is car. Guys, what is this? D. D phonic sound is da. Da is doll. Guys, what is this? E. E phonic sound is ye. Ye for egg. What is this, guys? F. F phonic sound is f. F for fish. What is this? G. G phonic sound is g. G for grapes. This H. H phonic sound is h in hat. Guys, what is this? I. I phonic sound is e. E in ink. Guys, what is this? J. J phonic sound is j. J in jug. What is this? K. K phonic sound is k. K in kite. What is this? L. L phonic sound is in lion. What is this? M. M phonic sound is in mango. What is this? N. N phonic sound is N in nest. Guys, what is this? O phonic sound is O in orange. What is this? P. P phonic sound is pa. Pa in parrot. What is this? Q. Q phonic sound is qua. Qua in queen. What is this? R. R phonic sound is r in rabbit. What is this? S. S phonic sound is S in snake. Guys, what is this? T. T phonic sound is ta. Ta in tree. Guys, what is this? U. U phonic sound is in umbrella. Guys, what is this? V. V phonic sound is V in van. Guys, what is this? W. W phonic sound is va in watch. Guys, what is this? X. X phonic sound is x in X-ray. What is this? Y. phonic sound is a, a. A in yo-yo. What is this? Z. Z phonic sound is z, z in zebra. Well done, guys. You learn about alphabets and phonic sounds. Guys, if you like the video, please give me a like